How to add thumbnail to Instagram Reel. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now from here, tap on the Reels option. Now here you can tap on the camera option to record a video, or you can also select any video from your gallery. Once you have selected the video, you can edit it by adding music, stickers, text. All the options are available at the top. Once you have finished editing your video, tap on the next option. Then here as well you have different options such as tag people, audience, add topics, rename audio and much more. If you want to add thumbnail, you have the option of edit cover on the picture you can see. Now as you can see, the preview is already given. This is going to be the default thumbnail. If you want to change it, tap on the edit cover option. From here, you can choose how your reel will be shown to others. Select a frame from your video or photo from the camera roll as a cover image. Here you can see there are different frames that you can choose from. If you do not want a frame from your video itself, you can tap on the Add from Camera Roll option. Then from here, select any picture from your gallery. And now this is going to be your thumbnail. Tap on the Done option. And now tap on the Share option. If you check out in your profile, this is how the thumbnail is going to look like of your reel, and this is how the video is going to look like. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.